Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel the follow request that you have sent on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open your TikTok application. Then search for the person that you have sent your follow request. Then tap on its username. Now to cancel the follow request, just tap on Requested button. And then tap on Cancel Request. And this is how you can cancel the request that you have sent on TikTok. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.